Hello students, welcome to RBF Solutions Programming Training. In this tutorial, we try to find maximum among three numbers using nested if-else statement. So, for calculating the nested maximum among three numbers with a flowchart first. Okay, so draw a flowchart, start, then input, value for x, y and z, then draw a decision box to try x with y first. If x greater than y, then you should try x with z also, right? So if x is greater than y, then we compare x with z if x is greater than z or not. So if x is greater than z also, then finally you print the value of x as max. Otherwise, you print the value of z is max, right? Print z. If x is not greater than y, then you try, then y is greater than x, right? Then you try y with z. And if y is greater than z or not. If y is greater than z, then you print y, otherwise you print z. Finally, stop. Now, we try to write this program using C. Has include stdio.h has include conio.h void main, then int x, y and z, and also max. Initialize max with 0. Suppose I store x equals to 7, value of y equals to 11 and value of z equals to 2. Okay, now I compare x with y as per our flowchart. Then x compare with y. If x greater than y, then we should compare x with z also. So first we compare x with y, then we compare x with z also. If x is greater than y and if x is greater than z both, then max equals to x. Else max equals to z. So here I am using nested if, right? So I am using nested if. Then we try the else part. Else, if this if not true, then we try the else part. So this is our else part. Okay, and this is our if part. So if part is not true, then we try the else part. Else, if y is greater than z. We are in the else part, that means y is greater than x. That's why we try y with z. If y is greater than z, then we store max equals to y, otherwise store max equals to z. Finally, we find our max, and outside the scope you print maximum number is %d, max. Understood? So like this way you can apply the nested if else statements. Okay, thank you.